Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to change prices of your inventory in the Amazon Seller app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. All right, so we're going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app. I'm going to click on that right there. And of course, we've got the home screen. So I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner where there's the three little lines to get an additional menu. So I'm going to hit the three little lines right there. And then I'm going to go to Inventory. So I'm going to click on Inventory. So we've got the inventory screen pulled up, and I'm just going to go to the first item right here that it looks like I have in stock is this Avengers Hasbro 6-inch action figure. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this listing right here. So the very first line says your price. So that's what my price is. The next couple lines say the lowest price. Now this could be the lowest price between merchant fulfilled or fulfilled by Amazon. So sometimes it's better to do a little digging to find out what all is there, or we could do featured offer price, which is $18.89. So featured offer price, that normally means that's what's winning the buy box right now. So I've got a couple of options. I can do the lowest price, so just be the very cheapest option out there, or I can just match the featured offer price and just hope that I win the buy box. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the competitive offers. It says there's 31 from 1848 and that 8 are Prime eligible. Just so we can kind of see what the other options look like, I'm going to click where it says competitive offers just so we can see the listing. So here's the listing right here. And as you can see, the cheapest option is somebody that is not a Prime seller. So we're going to scroll down a little bit, and the cheapest option is $18.88. So if I want to, match that price, I'll be likely to win the buy box at that price. So in the top left-hand corner, I'm just going to click on the little back arrow. So we'll click on that. So now if I go up to your price, I can either click that and type in my own price. So I'll click that and click update. It'll pop up this little screen. You can type in what you want the price to be, and I'm just gonna hit cancel, or I can go down to the featured offer price and just click the match button. So I'm gonna click match, and it says featured offer price $18.89 plus 0. It may take up to 15 minutes for the changes to reflect. So cancel or yes, match it. And apparently the yes, match it is very excited. So I'm just gonna click yes, match it. At the very bottom, it'll say the change is being processed. It may take 15 minutes to take effect. And then you can see that the featured offer price, now it has a green little check mark because that means when it updates, I'm gonna be matching the buy box price. So hopefully my item will sell a little bit quicker now that it is more competitively priced. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.